Today we're running filtration trials with Diemme Enologia's revolutionary new Microflex filtration plant. This filter can take unfiltered wine to bottle ready with one pass while maintaining an incredibly low differential pressure. There's literally no beating up of the wines as seen with other technologies where there are endless circulation loops and claiming single pass filtration. Designed in Lugo, Italy by the Diemme Enologia R&D team, this filter will change how you look at filtration. Let's get Cellar-Tek's new point man for the Microflex, Andy Shillington, to take us through the nuts and bolts of what this filter is all about.
The Microflex model we're working with today uses 24 30-inch cartridges. It's also available in both 12 or a 48 cartridge model. Both the 24 and 48 are completely automatic, while the 12 is semi-automatic in some of its operations. The basis of this filter is its cartridge housing. Inside, there are 24 30-inch cartridge filters rated at 1 micron absolute. The cartridges are made of PVDF, which stands for polyvinylidene fluoride. PVDF is a highly non-reactive and pure thermoplastic fluoropolymer. The cartridges have been rated to filter 2,000 hectoliters each for their lifespan. That's 4.8 million liters or 500,000 cases before you need to replace the cartridges in the 24 cartridge unit. That works out to 1/4 cent per liter for the filter media cost of your filtration. All activities within the unit are controlled through a large, user-friendly touchscreen programmable logic controller, or PLC. Within the programming, you have the choice of running in 2 different filtration modes, washing cycles and manual modes. When the wine enters the unit, it first runs through a liquid ring pump on its way to a preliminary bag filter. This is to catch any larger particles or contaminants that might damage the cartridges downstream. Following the bag filter, it flows into the center of the bell housing and passes through the cartridges before it's directed to your clean wine tank. Because of the large number of cartridges, the flow rate of the filter is quite high while maintaining a low differential pressure on the cartridges. This results in a very gentle process for your wines to undergo during filtration, with absolutely no heat gain in the wine whatsoever. By putting the filter into standard filtration mode, you're able to set the parameters by which you want your wines to be filtered. First, you set the desired flow rate. Once the unit is running at that flow rate, it will maintain it until it reaches your maximum differential pressure, which you have also set. The machine will then hold that pressure and reduce the flow rate until it reaches your preset minimum flow rate. When it reaches this point, you have a number of different options to choose from. It can then stop the filter and sound alarm, keep running, or go into an intermediate wash cycle, or do a full cleaning cycle. If you choose the intermediate clean, it will push the clean and dirty wines out to their respective tanks with nitrogen, and then run 2 complete rinses of the machine. If there is still wine to filter, it will then refill the unit with wine and continue the filtration automatically. When you choose the full cleaning option, it pushes the wines out to their respective tanks, rinses, doses of full chemical cleaning, and follows with a final rinse. The filter then allows you to continue or start a new filtration with a fully cleaned round of filters again. Both the intermediate and full cleaning cycles were programmed to minimize the use of wash water, earning Diemme Enologia certification as systems designed with respect for the environment. In the optional Intelliflex filtration mode, you input the amount of wine you need filtered and the frequency of washes you would like. Once the filter starts, it will calculate the length of time it will take to do the filtration and how many times it will need to do an intermediate wash. It calculates using Diemme's proprietary software based on the pressure and flow rates throughout the unit and optimizes the production for your wine. When the filter pushes your wine out prior to cleaning, there is very minimal product loss. It starts by pushing as much wine as possible through the cartridges in the housing out to your clean tank. It will then release the pressure in the system and start pushing the dirty wine back to your unfiltered tank. After a recent filtration trial of 43,200 liters, the total loss was calculated at only 70 liters, or less than 0.17%. Because this machine is fully automatic, you can filter wine all day and have the cleaning performed at night, allowing you to start filtering again in the morning without any downtime and labor for the cleaning. Since the filter is only 1 pump, it's an extremely efficient unit for your winery. Even at full speed, the draw on the unit is less than 25.4 amps. This draw is similar to what you would find from an average winery's DE filter.
Being a service technician at Cellar-Tek, I was very impressed with this Microflex 24 with its ease of operation and user-friendly maintenance items. So for example, the pneumatic valves used in here are butterfly valves, which can be manually operated or pneumatically operated with the solenoids. With these valves, it's easy to see if it's open or closed. With the Microflex 24, it's on heavy-duty casters to be easily wheeled around the winery into its required location. It's all built on a heavy-duty stainless steel frame, which is over-engineered to ensure top quality. They have used DIN fittings throughout the filter to guarantee a leak-free operation. So here at Cellar-Tek, when you purchase one of the Microflex 24s, we'll have it ready to go at your winery, delivered and installed. We'll be there to receive the machine and get you up and running in no time. I have been very impressed with this Microflex 24 and can happily stand behind it and offer all technical service that is required.
Well, there you have it, the Microflex filter, the intelligent approach to filtration. For more information on how you can incorporate this exciting new filter technology into your facility, contact us at Cellar-Tek, and as usual, we'll take care of the rest.